Masang and the Witch. In a farm, a strange man was born with horns and a tail like a cow. He was called Masang. He found a very dark-skinned friend and servant named Idar, son of the forest. Further on, they were joined by a man with green skin, son of grass, and another man with white skin, son of the rushes in a marsh. They reached an empty hut and stayed there. One would stay to cook, while three went hunting. Idar stayed the first day, and a little old woman came begging for food. But when he had fed her, he found it was all finished. He lied to the others that soldiers had come and eaten up everything. The same happened with the green and the white man. But Masang outwitted the old woman, who was a witch, and thrashed her till she fled. He told his companions that they must catch her. The ungrateful companions. They found her dead in a deep pit full of gold, jewels, and armor. Masang suggested that they should draw up the treasure and then go forward. The others asked him to go down. "We will pull you up," they said. But as soon as they got the treasure, the three ungrateful fellows fled with it, leaving Masang to die. But Masang chanted some magical words that made a tree grow in the pit. He climbed out and found his way to heaven. There he was given a task of destroying the chief witch, who was injured by an arrow. Posing as a physician who had come to cure her, he killed the witch in a fierce battle. But before she was killed, she had hit Masang and he was injured so badly that he broke up to become 7 stars in the sky. The Little Hunchback. Outside the shop of a tailor in Kashgar sat a little hunchback singing and playing a tambourine. The tailor took him home so that his beloved wife too might enjoy the music. They invited the little hunchback to share their dinner. His wife served fish. Unluckily, a fishbowl stuck in the hunchback's throat and he choked to death. The tailor and his wife were terrified of the police, so they took the body to a doctor's house and left it there, telling a maid to ask the doctor to take care for the sick man. When the doctor came out, he fell over the hunchback and found him dead. He thought he had killed him. He and his wife put the body near the storehouse of their neighbor, who supplied oil and butter to Sultan. He will not be punished, for he knows the Sultan, thought the doctor. The Sultan's Justice. The supplier thought the man outside the storehouse was a thief and hit him. With a light, he saw that the hunchback was dead. Frightened, he carried him to the market and propped him up against the door of a shop. A drunken merchant, swaying down the street, knocked the hunchback down. Both fell and were picked up by the night guard. "You have killed him," the guard said, and arrested the merchant. In the morning, he was taken to the court. The judge ordered the merchant to be executed. The news of the execution spread. The supplier and the doctor came to stop the injustice. Each one said, "I killed the hunchback." But the tailor explained how the hunchback had choked on the fishbone and died. The Sultan called all the fellows and they reached the palace. Hearing what had actually happened, the Sultan asked that this be written down in his history and pardoned the 4 men.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.